What are modules and packages in Python? Package and modules are two mechanisms that allow for modular programming in Python. Modularizing has several advantages. Simplicity. Working on a single module helps you focus on a relatively small portion of the problem at hand. This makes development easier and less error prone. Maintainability. Modules are designed to enforce logical boundaries between different problem domains. If they are written in a manner that reduces interdependency, it is less likely that modification in a module might impact other part of the program. Reusability. Function defined in a module can be easily reused by the other part of the application. Scoping. Modules typically define a separate namespace, which help avoid confusion between identifier from the other part of the program. Modules in general are simple files that are .py extension and can have a set of functions, class or variable defined and implemented. They can import and initialize once using the import statement. If partial function is needed, import the request class or function using from foo. Thank you.